Hi, my friends. You can see here this is the printing problem, light print, and this problem is also seen in everywhere, in each and every cottage, in each and every printer. So don't worry, don't think anything more. So I have solution. Don't worry. I give the examples on 12 cottage. You can see here 12 cottage and give the full tutorial available in the description box in English language because English is very important and I want to mention because English solution is not available in any channel, so I have given the program solution. You can see here. So you can see here this is the problem and solution light print. So first of all you should check magnet because magnet has damaged, so you should clean and change it. Okay, next one is drum. This is the drum. You should check the drum and change the drum because it has damaged due to depreciation due to work. And next one is wiper blade. You should check wiper blade. So this is the wiper blade and you should must watch description box for full tutorial about it. Okay, and next one is clean garbage. And if there is no solution by these videos, so you should go and printer and check laser unit. Yeah, change your next drum cartridge, check another cartridge, the problem will be solved. So this is the solution of this problem. So we should meet in the next video. Thank you, goodbye, see you. And if you have problem then comment, like, subscribe and comment.